Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Fold. So the Samsung Galaxy Fold is a reality. It can be pre-ordered and you can get your hands on it by late April or early May. And of course it is a sensational product. It is a folding smartphone that is first of its kind, so it's going to be a very important product in the technology world. However, there is a big major disappointment in regards to the Samsung Galaxy Fold that I've noticed by watching some of the videos that were released today on some tech news organizations. So it is now a certainty that when you unfold the Galaxy Fold, you are going to be seeing a crease in the middle of the display. Now for me, that is a major disappointment, especially because I was actually thinking of switching to the Fold as a daily driver. Now, seeing that there's a crease in the middle that's going to show up from all angles at all times, it is going to be a little bit hard to tolerate that. Now, as you know, with the iPhone, I absolutely hate the notch. And because of the notch, there's other Android smartphones that I simply don't go close to. I stick with the Samsung Galaxy smartphones because I like the way they're all screen, and also with the Samsung Galaxy S10 that I'm using as my daily driver today, it's got a punch hole display that is much more tolerable than a notch. In fact, but with the Samsung Galaxy Fold, otherwise an amazing smartphone. It's got an amazing build quality. It's got a nice and snappy feel. But again, when you unfold it, the main dish is that large screen, and that large screen has a crease in the middle. And the screen itself is made out of plastic. So you have a plastic crease right in the middle of anything and everything that you'll be doing on that screen. And of course, we do know that the Samsung Fold is not targeted for everyday users. It is kind of a luxury product right now, but it is certainly from a screen perspective, even though that screen is amazing by itself, it is a dynamic AMOLED screen. It does have that crease, so it is an imperfect product in my opinion. So that's one thing, one big disappointment with the Samsung Galaxy Fold that I've noticed from watching these videos. Otherwise, let's talk about the Fold, and I do want to let you know that it has some really nice features. It does have all the features a flagship smartphone does have. Like I said, it has a dynamic AMOLED display with a high resolution, and of course it's got stereo speakers. And of course, it's got 3 high caliber cameras on the rear that you can use whether the phone is folded or unfolded. They're the same cameras you're going to be finding on a Samsung Galaxy S10, so you know that they're flagship cameras. Now, there are 2 things about the Samsung Galaxy Fold as far as software is concerned that I'm actually really digging. And that's going to be the 3-way multitasking known as the multi-active window. So only when you unfold the Fold, you're going to be able to multitask with 3 windows on the screen, all side by side, which is a great feature to have on a larger screen. It's a nice way to utilize that larger screen. And of course, the other thing I like is the app continuity feature. So basically, if you launch an application on the small screen when the phone is folded, when you do unfold the smartphone, that application seamlessly transitions into the larger screen, which is known as the app continuity. And of course, the phone has a lot of RAM. It's got the Snapdragon 855 processor, so it's going to be a very fast and snappy smartphone. But again, like I said, the main thing that you look at all time when you're using a smartphone is the actual display. And I'm assuming most people are going to unfold the phone to watch videos, to browse the web, to do research, and you're going to be facing that crease in the middle. So going forward into the future, it is essential that the crease on folded smartphones disappears. So the crease is bad. The other thing that is bad is the notch. So there is a notch on the Fold. It does serve as front-facing cameras, but it certainly cuts into the display. If I can't stand a notch on an iPhone, I also cannot stand a notch on a $2,000 smartphone that I'll be using. Now, I'll be getting this smartphone. I'm going to be doing unboxings on it. I'm going to be taking a look at the software features in depth. But again, 2 things I did not like: the crease in the middle, the notch on the top, on the side top. But the things that I do like are the software features such as the multitasking, 3-way multitasking, the app continuity, and of course the specs of the smartphone are pretty impressive. But that's my quick take on the Samsung Galaxy Fold. I do want you guys to drop your comments down below and let me know what you think about the Samsung Fold after watching some of the videos that were released today. For now, guys, have a fantastic day. Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.